Okay, today unboxing the commercial true infrared 3-burner gas grill from Char-Broil. It's pretty cool. It was not on sale. It was like $4.49. And we had to buy a conversion kit. This is for my aunt's house, and she has a natural gas line. So we had to buy a conversion kit so it can run on natural gas instead of just propane. Today, we're going to build it for her. Hopefully it doesn't take too darn long. All right, this is everything laid out from inside the box. Looks fairly simple. These give me a little bit of a pain because it's not very clear on here what you're doing. You're sliding it in and then turning it and then you're screwing it in. So it's for the drip tray. And it's done. Took about 35 minutes to assemble. 2 people. Oh. This is for store use, apparently. I have no idea what it's for, but it says store use only. Make sure you get that cord. It comes with it to plug in there for the lighting of the propane or natural gas. And all I gotta do now is install the conversion kit at a later date so we can attach it to the natural gas line.